Take a ride in the 2016 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, power sunroof. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, keyless entry, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.